All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So I have another Google Pixel 8 case review here for you. And as you can tell by the box, it is from the company Caseology. And this is the Nano Pop case here for the Pixel 8. They do make it for the Pro as well, so I'll link them both down in the description. This particular color is the black sesame color there, as you can see. It does come in a bunch of different colors, I think like 4 to be exact. So I'll link those as well down in the description, or if you just click the link, you'll see them. But there is the unboxing experience, very easy. The material that it comes in is this plastic bag. All of them do, it seems like. And then inside we do get greeted with this "do you need a fresh start" thing. And this is something all these Caseology cases have been coming with lately, which is kind of nice. So it comes with a cleaning wipe for the screen. It comes with a microfiber cloth. So it's just kind of a nice little added bonus there. But thanks Caseology for that. But let's toss that to the side and let's look at the actual case. So there's the back, which we'll look at more once we have it installed. But there's the interior right here, which actually looks pretty dang nice. So one thing to point out obviously is that psychedelic look and pattern there. And that's just gonna obviously be what's going up against the phone. It has a nice texture to it. It's nice and smooth and cushiony feeling. It does say Nano Pop series for Google. So there we go. Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. Caseology branding right there. Has the little bumpers in there as well to help with drop protection. So all in all, a very nice looking interior. So let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 8. We'll start with this side here, and then we'll just kind of push in. So there we go. And there is the Nano Pop installed. So looks really good. It has this really nice texture too. I really like the sides, but the texture doesn't really, I don't know, it feels different than previous Nano Pop cases that I've reviewed. It doesn't feel very silicone-y, if that makes sense. But nice texture to it. Has the Caseology branding there at the bottom, so very simple. The Nano Pop is known for kind of the pop of color, but as you can see there, it's a very smooth transition, so it's not very sharp like the actual camera visor there. But the Nano Pop does have that grayish color there. The lenses are what's actually cut out, and where the flash and the little mic there is nicely exposed. So kind of like the look of that actually. It looks pretty nice, but like I said, nice raised lips. And one thing that I really like about this case is the actual grip at the bottom here. So hopefully when I zoom in, it does it justice, but it has this kind of like micro dot material. I don't really remember what it's called, but it is super grippy right here on both sides. So it's on both sides here, and that's exactly where you're placing your hand, and it feels really good. It's very grippy. And on the side here, that's where we're getting our Caseology branding right there. But that grippy pattern just goes about up halfway and then stops. But that's not to say the other part isn't grippy as well. It just isn't as grippy as that side. And then as you can see with our power button and volume up and down buttons, they are nicely raised. And we do have some holes there for a lanyard cutout if you like to rock those. Hole punch there for the mic up top. And then looking at the bottom, you can see the cutouts for our port, so our USB-C port, and our speakers there as well. So all in all, looking pretty nice. And the front view is fairly slim too. It does have some lips that do go around the whole screen, so that is nice for that 360 screen protection. But that's the look there, very slim, very lightweight. And then that's the look that they went with for the actual cutout for the speakers at the front. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So face down, no wobbling at all. And back down, the same thing, guys. I mean, it's literally not moving. I mean, once again, you can see it moving, but it's not wobbling or shaking. There is no wobble, and it does do the seesaw effect, but once again, who's pushing it down like that? Pushing it from the bottom, nothing. So all in all, passes the wobble test in my opinion. And then now let's do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button. So very clicky. Not as loud as some of the other cases I've tested, but it's still clicky. And volume up and down. So those are clicky. Oh yeah. So yeah, that works well. So no issues at all with the buttons. They work very well. They're clicky. So 2 thumbs up there. Now, when I'm doing the Qi wireless charging test, I've been using my mouse MagSafe charger here because it is a Qi wireless charger. And as you can see there, it instantly gave me that animation across the screen. It is charging wirelessly as it says there. So there is no problem with that. Unfortunately, there is no type of built-in magnets or anything like that, like some other phone cases do with MagSafe accessories. But it's an Android phone, so if you have a Qi wireless charging pad or something like that, you can set it and forget it and not have to worry about is it lining up. But it would have been nice to have some sort of magnets built in. I really feel like a lot of phone case manufacturers should all do some sort of built-in magnet systems, but is what it is. But yeah, guys, there's the NanoPop. So my overall impressions of this actual case is good. It's a really subtle blackish, grayish, charcoal color. The gray, pop there of color just really stands out and just makes this case look really, really good in the hand. So it's not overwhelming. It feels really good in the hands too. Like I said, very easy to get in and out of the pocket. There is no fingerprint issues. Smudge issues maybe over time, but nothing that a quick wipe down with your shirt or towel or something won't solve. So yeah, for the 20-ish bucks that it's costing to pick it up, I don't think that's a bad deal at all for this case. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. I'll see you on the next one.